Okay, good day. I am from Excel Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Cobil Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Okay, our interview this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. But at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Why do you want to come here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose to go Singapore, Hong Kong, or maybe in Middle East?
Because, ma'am, I don't have money to apply Hong Kong or Singapore for processing fee. Malaysia is free for processing fee, right?
Yes. So, okay, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
My name is Dian Enriquez, 35 years old, college level, married. I have two I have two sons and one daughter. I live in I live in Barangay 105, Tondo, Manila. I have working experience as domestic helper in Saudi Arabia in family of three. My duties is cooking, washing and cleaning their clothes, cleaning their house and farm, and taking care elderly.
Okay, how old are those elderly that you take care?
65 years old, 68 and 75 years old.
65, 68, and 75.
Yes,
Is it
ma'am.
is it female or male?
75 years old is male and 65 and 68 is female.
Okay. So, how many years did you work there?
1 year and 8 months.
What year did you started and what year did you finish?
February 2014 to October 2015.
What happened? Why you work only for 1 year and 8 months?
My mother died suddenly, ma'am.
Oh, that's why
I
you
mean,
decided to go back home. Why you didn't? I mean, you go back in the Philippines and your employer just allow you to go back home in the Philippines and didn't allow you to go back in their place to work again.
my employer allowed me to go back to the Philippines, but but she get another maid immediately.
Oh, okay. So you take care of their farm also, is it?
Yes, ma'am. I clean the farm.
Okay. So I need to know some few more details from you, Diane. When is your birthday?
July 10, 1989.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 153.5 centimeter. My weight is 71 kilos right now.
Okay, your height is 5'3", correct?
No, ma'am. 153.5. 51.
5'1". Okay. What is your religion?
Catholic.
Your educational background? You mentioned that you are a
College
college
level
level
undergraduate of midwifery.
midwifery. How many years? How many years did you work as a, how many years did you go to college? Are you undergrad 1 year or 2 years?
1 year, ma'am.
Okay, so you mentioned that you have a three children, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and you are married.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so who's going to take care of your children once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My husband and my mother-in-law.
Okay, how old is your husband and what is his occupation?
My husband is 31 years old. The occupation is security guard here in the Philippines.
Okay. So, Dayan, you know what are rules and regulations here in Malaysia, okay? Do you
Yes,
know?
ma'am.
Okay. So, you cannot hold
Yes,
your phone
ma'am.
for the whole day because you are working. Rather than you can hold it during nighttime only, 2 to 3 hours to contact your family back in the Philippines. After that, you will render your phone to your employer. During your rest day, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you will going to stay inside the house and you are not allowed to go out. If you will work on your rest day, employer will going to compensate your salary. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you have a 2 years contract also. It's not 2 days, it's not 1 week, it's not 2 months, it's not 1 year. Once you breach your contract, you know what will be the consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency. Nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so being a domestic helper, you already know, right? Because in KSA, you've been working for almost 2 years. But of course, suddenly your mother passed away. You do house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing, and you also take care of their farm. And you take care elderly also. You take care three elderly, correct? Which is 65, 68, and 75 years old, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you need also to be flexible once you come to work here in Malaysia. Are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care baby?
Yes, ma'am.
And definitely you can take care elderly people also because you already got experience working in KSA, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care pets?
Yes, ma'am. Small
Can you
pets only, ma'am.
Okay, are you afraid of dogs?
No.
Okay, can you cook?
Yes, ma'am. Filipino food and basic Arabic foods.
Okay. So how are you gonna fight your homesickness? Because you stuck in the Philippines for almost, I think, 8 years or 9 years. So you were working quite far away from your family. How will you gonna fight your homesickness later once it strikes you?
I always put on my mind about my future of my kids.
Yes, exactly. So you need to control, you need to fight your homesickness. You need to let, I mean, you come to work here in Malaysia because you wanted to sustain your family's needs, right? And you wanted to have a
Yes,
better
ma'am.
future for your family. So always remember about it, okay? Because
Yes,
if
ma'am.
not, once you breach your contract, you know that you need to pay your employer and at the same time with the agency, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I think that's all for now, Dayan. It was my pleasure meeting you, but please stay connected in WhatsApp because agents here in Excel agency will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so
Thank you,
much and have
ma'am.
a good day. Bye.
Thank you.
Okay.